I am a tiger, the jungle strider. I've orange and black stripes. I purr and roar, you can't ignore. I always make you smile. I mark my ground all around. It is my territory. I love my space, I got it always. It's covered in big trees. I'm a wild big cat, and that is a fact. Siberian, Bengal, Sumatran and Chinese, they are all my subspecies. I sneak and pounce all at once. I eat all kinds of meat. I swim in pools to stay cool after a huge meal. My cubs stay tight, they play and fight. They are with me for 2 years. They have fun while they learn to hunt. I always stay near. I'm a wild big cat, and that is a fact. Siberian, Bengal, Sumatran and Chinese, they are all my subspecies. I live for 8 years, I'm special I hear. The only big cat with stripes. I live alone in my home. I'm known to run long miles. I'm a wild big cat, and that is a fact. Siberian, Bengal, Sumatran and Chinese, they are all my subspecies.